for joining us. Today, we pick back up on the case of Brad Jennings. Remember, he's suing Sergeant Dan Nash for federal civil rights violations. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lauren Barnes. The trial continues into day 4, but the crimes in question have been unfolding for 14 years. Here's the basis here. Jennings served 10 years in prison for the murder of his wife, Lisa, before a judge vacated that conviction in 2018. Our own Bailey Stroll has been following this case all week and just stepped outside of the courtroom to deliver a live update. Bailey.
Yeah, so far today in day 4 of this trial, the plaintiffs have called 2 witnesses to the stand. The first being a teacher of Lisa and Brad Jennings' son the year that Lisa died, and the second being a Missouri State Highway Patrol criminologist, the one that actually conducted those gunshot residue tests on Brad Jennings' robe. Now, the teacher testified that there were some inconsistencies and false statements put into a report by Sergeant Nash after he interviewed her at the school. At one point, she said she's not surprised that there had been other complaints about Nash omitting facts in reports, claiming it had happened to her too. And on the stand now is Nick Gerhardt, who conducted the gunshot residue test that came back negative for Jennings. A phone call was played in the courtroom where Gerhardt told Jennings' private investigator at the time that Nash had 3 tries to get these test results, once by mail, another by fax, and another by phone. But sitting in the courtroom today, Gerhardt said he couldn't be sure that those statements, when they were made on the phone with the private investigator, were completely true. Now, I believe that the state was also expected to call Gerhardt as a witness throughout this trial, so it's expected that Gerhardt, this criminologist with the Highway Patrol, will be on the stand for a while longer today. As always, you can keep following what's happened so far in this trial and what will be going on today at ozarksfirst.com. Reporting in Springfield, Bailey Stroll, Ozarks First.